Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of connection problem on Strava. We click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Strava and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Strava. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by liking.